Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia. In this video, we are going to talk about the Atlanta real estate market update for November 2022. And you're going to find this very interesting. We're going to go over some trends and what it means for buyers, sellers, as well as investors. So let's hop right into it. As you can see, the mortgage rate, and this is as of yesterday, close of business, we're looking at 6.875, and this is published by US Bank, and the APR was 7.037. All right, so the interest rates have gone down just a little bit, Nothing to really just jump out of your skin about, but they have gone down. Now, really, let's get into the market report and what's actually happening in the real estate market here. Let's move some things around. If you see here, the median price of homes for October 2022 comes in at $369,000. As you can see, the prices are dropping slightly, but they're definitely dropping. Okay, and that is because the interest rates have gone higher. There are fewer buyers in the market, and there are more sellers coming onto the market. But we're going to talk about all of that. So let's look at the average price of homes. As you can see, the average is starting to slide down as well, and we're looking at roughly $437,754. That's the average price of homes in Metro Atlanta. And let's look at new listings. New listings on the market. You see 9,000, just a little bit above 9,000 for October 2022, which is down 18.1% from the previous year. Total homes on the market for sale has actually gone up. You see there were 19,263 for September, and in October we're looking at 19,444, which is an increase of from last year of 43.5%. It's a big deal. All right, let's look at closed sales. Closed sales for the month of October, and these numbers are coming in still, so I'm going to give you guys another real estate update next week, so please stay tuned. We're looking at 6,066 homes closed in the month of October. As you can see, that's dropping, and that is due to the interest rate. And if you look at the change from last year, it's a negative 34%. And let's look at the total days on the market, and you can see that shift is happening. Let's go with I'll show you the average first, since it's already on average. The average, as you can see, start going up after July, August, September, October. We're looking at now 29 days on the market. So we're looking at roughly 30 days on the market, which is an increase of 38% from this time last year. Last year was nuts. And for the median, we're looking at 15 days on the market. Now let's look at the total month supply, and that's a telling number as well, because that has definitely changed. We went from January of 1.1, basically a little bit over a month supply, and now we're looking at 2.5. So it would take, if nothing else came on the market, it would take 2.5 months for all of that inventory to be sold. All right, and now what does this mean for buyers, sellers, and investors? For buyers, I've already covered it. It means that because the interest rates are higher, you have less buying power. Buying power, but you have less home that you can purchase. And so a lot of buyers are staying out of the market because of that. Now, don't get me wrong, homes are still being bought and sold. That's always going to happen, okay? But because of the interest rates have basically tripled, that a lot of buyers are not in the market now. Now, what does this mean for sellers? Sellers, I've said it time and time again, most of the sellers missed the boat. if they were waiting for the market to continue, or they assumed that the market was going to continue like it was last year with houses just flying off the market. Now it's taking a little bit longer. As you can see, the days on the market has gone up. The average days on the market was 29 days on the market versus 17 here. Okay, so that means you're going to have to do a little bit more if you're a seller. You're going to need to learn how to market, learn how to stage your home. You need to do some repairs to your home. You need to make sure your home is in top-notch condition, because now you have competition. Whereas last year you didn't have so much competition. Now you do have competition because you have fewer buyers in the market and you have more inventory in the pipeline. So you have more inventory in the market. So you need to make sure you're speaking to a real estate agent that can help you out and let you know what may need to be fixed, give you some tips. And most real estate agents will do that for free. So I'm a real estate agent, so make sure you reach out to me if you need some tips on what you need to do to get your home in top condition to sell. Now, if you don't want to do any staging, repairs, you don't want to have buyers traipsing through your house, showings or anything like that, my company has a program where we have a marketplace of all cash buyers, and we can see if your house qualifies for an all cash offer. And sometimes, depending on the house itself, it may qualify for several all cash offers. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you reach out to me. For investors, I've been talking to some investors, and the consensus is that because so many people bought at the top of the market, there are going to be a lot of people, for whatever reason, not necessarily only because they bought at the top of the market, but there are going to be some sellers who have a lot of equity. They don't have any equity. There's zero equity in their properties, and they're going to need to sell. So sellers will probably be entertaining more owner finance options. So if you're an investor, I would start looking at things like that, looking for pre-foreclosures and looking for sellers who are willing to do some type of creative financing. All right, so I hope you all got some value out of this video. I'm excited to continue to provide you these Atlanta real estate market updates, and as you can see, the market is shifting, but don't forget, people are always going to be buying and selling. So I'm open for a free consultation. You can reach me. The link to contact me is in the description of the video, and you can book a call with me directly into my calendar. All right, I'm looking forward to speaking with you. Make sure, if you got some value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out new videos. And leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns about the real estate market. I love to talk about real estate, and I would love to have a conversation with you about your real estate goals. So once again, this has been Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Peace.